welcome to All in the Game. I'm Nupur.
Hi, I'm Pradyut.
And I'm Ramya.
Alright, so we have Pradyut and Ramya, husband against wife, playing for the true or false game. So it's a challenge. Ramya has already told Pradyut, I'm gonna win. Let's see if she does, or Pradyut lets her win, or Pradyut wins it. We don't know what's gonna happen. So let's begin. Are you guys ready? So
Yes, ready.
It's a very
Ready,
simple quiz. I'll give some statements. You have to tell me if it's true or false. That's all, okay? So both of you can give the same answer as well. Doesn't matter who's giving it first. The right answer gets the point. All right?
Okay.
Okay, guys. So let's begin. The first question is, or the first statement is rather, the capital of Australia is Sydney.
False.
False.
Okay. Quickly it came false. What is it then?
Canberra.
Yes. All right. So they're good at geography here. Canberra. It is. So no, it's not Sydney. False is the correct answer. All right. Let's go to the next one. The first animal sent into space was a monkey.
False.
True.
Sure. Do you know the name of the monkey?
No.
Okay.
I'm just taking a guess.
Okay, she's taking a guess. She said true. He said false. False it is because the first animals, or rather insects that were sent into space were fruit flies. They were sent on a V2 rocket in 1947. Alright?
Wow.
So they were not monkeys. And I think much later on the moon dog was sent, if I'm
Yeah,
not
I
wrong.
thought.
Yeah.
But
So instead it was a dog, it wasn't a
Still,
monkey.
I am
Okay.
getting confused. I don't know whether to say true or false. I will
Science week.
give me 2 minutes to settle.
Okay. Now, Ramya's getting into the group, guys. Third questions here. Let's see.
Yes.
Okay. Be prepared, brother.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, next one. Hippopotamus or hippos sweat is reddish in color. True,
True.
or false?
False.
True.
Why do you say true?
They're very like reddish all the time. See?
Okay. So she somewhere kind of is close to the answer. So he said false, she said true. True is correct. So basically their sweat is not reddish in color, it is colorless. But then they have special skin glands, okay, which change the colorless sweat to a vibrant or red, reddish kind of a color. So the pigments polymerize. It's a scientific thing. So yes, so basically the hippo's sweat, the sweat is called blood sweat because it is reddish in color. So true it is. Alright, let's go to the next one. Dolphins are fishes. True or false?
False.
False.
Okay, what are they then?
Mammals.
Mammals.
Oh, nice. Alright, so very good at science here again.
Someone has gone and done their homework.
Oh, yeah. So I'm like, आज मैं पढ़ के जाऊंगा इस quiz के लिए. Alright, false it is. Both of them are right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay. You can swallow and breathe at the same time. So when I say you, I mean humans.
Humans.
Okay, so they can swallow and breathe at the same time. True or false?
False.
I think it's true.
They can. So you're saying yes, we can swallow and breathe at the same time, and she says no. Okay. So
How many of you are swallowing and breathing right now?
no, it's still going to be swallow followed by breathing or breathing followed by swallowing. So yes, it is false. It is not true. So the human body closes the windpipe to prevent food or liquid to enter into the lungs while swallowing. So you cannot do both at the same time. Alright? Okay. So let's go to the next one. The first Harry Potter book was published in the year 1995. True or false?
True. I don't know.
Okay.
I have to ask my
false.
daughter.
Ramya says true. He says, okay, she's saying true, I'll say false. Okay. So, although their daughter is a Harry Potter fan, I'm sure she would have got this one right. But the answer is false. It was released in the year 1997, not 1995. Alright, let's go to the next one. A little chemistry here, guys. The letter J, J for Jack, is not in the periodic table. True or false? The letter J.
True.
It is in the
I'll
periodic
say-
table.
It is? I don't think it is.
You said false. You
No,
said
I'm
true.
saying you asked if it's in the periodic table. I say no.
Alright. So, true is correct. It is J is not in the periodic table because J is generally the periodic table has most of the alphabets from Greek. and Greek as such does not have the letter or the pronunciation for J. So the reason why J is not there in the periodic table. Alright? So the answer is true. J is not on the periodic table. Alright, guys. Let's go to the next one. Chemistry. This might be a little tricky. A group of owls is called a parliament.
True.
True or false?
True.
True.
Hey, you copy my answer.
Pradyut is like, before she said it, she said true. Okay. Okay. Yes, it is true. Do you know the reason why? Why is it called a parliament, the group of owls?
I don't want to say it.
Because they're all on different branches.
Wow, that
Because they're all a hoot. That's all.
These are some amazing answers which I didn't expect.
Because they all are the same tree but in different branches. So they are like.
Okay, so like
They
a
all get together
parliament.
and bunch
Okay.
of hoot.
Very
That's it.
logical reasoning and very, creative
Sarcastic
reasoning here
reasoning.
and a sarcasm, everything. But the answer here, the reason here is that, this is why it is because owls are perceived to be intelligent creatures. And supposedly we have intelligent people in the parliament, so it's called a parliament of owls. Okay? Alright. So although yes, we can go by what he's saying and what she's saying, very different and unique approach to it. Alright, let's go to the next one, guys. The next statement is, the Leaning Tower of Pisa was designed to lean.
False.
No, false.
That is correct. Most of us actually know it. But the reason for this is, it was built on soft ground. So over a period, the tower started leaning, but it still stayed there. So it had a very good, foundation. So that's why. So false, it is correct, guys. Alright, next one. Snakes sleep with their eyes open. True or false?
False.
I need to ask Swara.
See again how we have to go back to the school books, for getting answers to such questions.
I think it is. What did you say?
Snakes sleep with their eyes open.
True.
Okay, so Pradyut said
Is
false.
it false?
He just took a random guess. After a lot of contemplating, Ramya said true. And the answer is true. The reason being, they don't have eyelids. They don't have eyelids, so they sleep with their eyes open. Alright, guys, a quick, trivia for you guys over here. Do you know which other animal sleeps with their eyes open? Yes, if you do, leave it in the comments. I'm not sure if these guys know, but I'll not let them answer. I'm not asking you guys. So leave it in the comments. Alright? Okay, let's go to the next one. Africa is the only continent that is located in all the 4 hemispheres. True or false?
4 hemispheres.
Northern, southern, eastern and western hemisphere.
Yes, true.
True.
True. Sure.
See, again, you're asking geography question.
See, but this is something very, very interesting. I mean, a continent being, in all the 4 hemispheres.
Yeah.
It is true, guys. Yes, it is true. So for me, it was actually information. I really, didn't know this, that it actually falls in all the 4 hemispheres. Alright, let's go to the next one. Leonardo da Vinci could write with one hand while drawing with the other hand. True or false?
True.
Must be true.
He was ambidextrous.
Exactly. He was ambidextrous. So he could write with his right and draw with his left and vice versa. So he was trained to use both his hand to write. So, how they got to know this or how they actually deciphered this was because he had such detailed notes of each of his painting that could be written only while making the painting. So he could, that's how they say he was ambidextrous. Alright, so yes, Leonardo da Vinci could use both hands at the same time. True it is, guys. Okay, let's go to the next one. 0 is an even number. True or false?
No maths. I pass. I'll
You
pass.
can't pass, you have to give an answer. No,
It's
0
an even number.
0 is an even number. True or false?
True.
False.
Why do you say false? She said
Yes,
no.
there is some
maths.
other logic to it,
Okay.
but I don't remember.
You
Okay.
don't know and solid.
Pradyut says false. Ramya says true. Ramya is right. 8 is an even number, guys. Alright, so true it is. Alright, let's go to the next one. Humans have more bones as adults than they do as babies. True or false?
False.
False.
False, 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 both of them. Very strong at science, both of them. False it is, because babies have more bones, and as
They
babies
fuse.
grow, they
Yeah.
fuse to form larger bones, so the number of bones become lesser. Alright. Okay, let's go to the next one, guys. With the iPhone launched recently, the first iPhone ever was released in the year 2007. True or false?
True.
First iPhone.
Yeah, the first iPhone 1. We are at iPhone 17 now,
I
okay?
don't remember. So.
No,
Anyway,
false, false. I'll say false.
Hey.
I'll say
Give me one
false.
answer, okay?
False.
False, you say.
False. Even I don't remember, but it's
False,
not
you
that
say. Both of you false.
Yeah.
Final answers, no?
Final,
No more changing,
final. No, change.
Okay. Sorry, both of you are wrong. You were right in the beginning. It is 2007. See, I
Oh,
told
God.
the 17th one is released recently. She put the math and she said false. So there was a year in between when the iPhone, the next version, didn't come. That is the reason we are on iPhone 17 in 2025. So
Oh.
2007 was the first year when the iPhone was released. Alright. Now we are on the bonus question, guys. 2
Okay.
points for this one. Let's go. Google was originally called Backrub. Backrub. Okay, Backrub.
Huh.
True or false?
I have no idea, so I'll say false.
Neither did I until I made this. So yeah. Google was originally called Backrub. Come on.
Wild guess. True.
And
I
you
said
say false.
Yeah.
He says true. Both of them are taking a guess. The right answer here is true. Yes. Imagine Google being called Backrub. Just Backrub the answer, no. imagine us saying that. So the reason of Backrub is named by co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 1996 because the search engine analyzed backlinks to determine the importance of web pages. That is how they showed the websites on their search engine, by going through the backlinks. The reason why they called it Backrub. Okay, and then later it was inspired from the word Google from, I think it was Greek. So, and just renamed to Google. Google means.
Thank God.
Yeah. Exactly. So imagine it being called Backrub, how you would have been using it on a daily basis. All right. So the bonus question was, Pradyut was right on the bonus question. Before I announce the winner for today's quiz, here's the viewer's question for you guys. So the question for you is, chess is considered a sport. True or false? Okay. Leave your answers in the comments, guys. Chess is considered a sport. Do let us know the answers. And the winner for today's quiz is Ramya. I told you I'm going to win, Pradyut, and I did it. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed today's quiz and learned some new interesting stuff. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our latest quizzes and videos. Until then, we'll see you soon with a very interesting trivia and fun-filled quiz. See you guys soon. Bye.